Congratulations, boys, 1,000,000 subscribers. Well, what do we do now? Ooh, looks like we got some fanning. Dear Paul, congratulations on reaching 1,000,000 subscribers. What an amazing accomplishment. We're huge fans of your Nerf War videos, and in honor of you guys reaching 1,000,000 subscribers, we've sent you a new beanbag and our new Sumo Air Lounger. Hopefully these will help you out in your future Nerf Wars. Well, this will be a nice new addition to my room. Ooh.
What? What do we get?
I think this is for you guys. Looks like 10 pounds of beef jerky. Go at it.
Well, that's not fair.
Okay, well, I'll tell you guys what. Nerf battle, you two against me. If you guys win, I'll give you the beanbag. Alright?
Okay.
Alright, let's shake on it. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
I need a supply drop!
Thank you very much.
Yeah! Beanbag is mine!
What's up YouTube? Paul from PDK Films here. I first off want to just thank you guys so much for helping us reach 1 million subscribers. I started making YouTube videos back in 2009, so finally 7 years later I hit 1 million. I'm honestly so pumped and I owe it all to you guys, whether you subscribed way back in the day or just right now, so thank you so much. Go buy yourself a burrito, you deserve it. I also want to say thank you to Sumo Beanbags. They sent us a bunch of beanbags over the years for us to use in our videos, including this video. So if you're in the market for a beanbag, check out Sumo. They're a great company with awesome beanbags. Alright, that basically covers everything, so I just want to thank you guys one more time for helping us reach 1 million subscribers, and we'll see you next video. Peace!